Discover the unparalleled performance of transparent ceramics, designed to withstand temperatures exceeding 2000摄氏度 with its minimal coefficient of thermal expansion and exceptional thermal shock resistance. This material is a game changer for industries demanding the highest thermal stability. Experience the robustness of high-temperature resistant, transparent ceramics, tailored for industries where reliability is paramount. Its small coefficient of thermal expansion ensures minimal deformation, while its thermal shock resistance guarantees longevity, suitable for a range of applications. The high working temperature of over 2000摄氏度 and excellent thermal stability make them ideal for petrochemical, optical, and semiconductor processing components. Revolutionize your operations with transparent ceramics and achieve unparalleled efficiency.